Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about resistance and support of Nifty. So nowadays most of the people are not aware like what is resistance and what is support. So I am going to explain all those things through this video. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, also enable the bell icon so that you will be getting notification immediately. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today we are going to explain about resistance and support. So resistance and support plays a major roles in share market. So if you don't know what is resistance and support, we cannot make a proper entry. So for a proper entry, we must learn what is resistance and support. Then only we have to enter into a market. Okay, let us see like today how the performance of Nifty. Okay, let us analyze the Nifty chart today. So today you can see the Nifty was taken a better support. Like today, starting on the day, we can see. Let us analysis based on the chart. Okay, let us go to 9 o'clock. So this is how the chart day was started. So the Nifty was started around 10,800, and here you can see it was around 800, and it was like taken support of 700. So the Nifty was not gone below 700, 10,700 because there was a support. So after that support, you can see here Nifty was gone, and it was going such a way up, and it was not even crossed the support and resistance level. So the resistance level, you can see the Nifty resistance level was 10,830, and today you can see the rate. It was not gone above 10,830 because resistance and support plays a major role. If there is a resistance is broken, you can expect like the Nifty can move ahead. So this is like one of the best technique normally most of the people use to earn good profit. So this technique is very important. Like whenever you are entering to a market, you should see like how the Nifty is going to break the resistance or support. So like Nifty was going in between, and here you can see like around 11 o'clock you can see Nifty was about to break the resistance. Sorry, it was about to break the support. Here you can see it was touched the support line. So this line you can see like around 10,690. This was a low. So this was about to break, and you can see the candle was above the support line. Only the line was just crossed the support line. But what happened finally? Finally, what was happened? See here onwards, it was suddenly reversed, and you can see like Nifty was started moving up. So it was taken as support at 10,700. So 10,700 was a support of Nifty today. And what happened from there? It was started moving up here. And see from 11 o'clock you can see like Nifty was started, like you can see a green candle was formed after it was reaching to support. Then suddenly like there is a green candle, and you can see it was started moving up. And we can see like the same way even I have provided a code also, you can see in my WhatsApp group. Here you can see in the WhatsApp group you can see around 11:47 I told to buy CE at 40 rupees, and you can see from 11:50 onwards you can see 11:40. After 11:40 you can see Nifty was turning into reverse gear. So it was taken as support at 10,700, and it was started moving up. So in the same way I saw that okay, it was reached nearby the support, and it is moving up. So that is the reason I told a buy call, and you can see like what was a buy call, and it was like I told to buy at 40, and stop loss was 20 rupees, and right now you can see, and I was given a target of 55 rupees, and you can see immediately the target was achieved, and you can see how much profit I could earn. Almost 1,600 rupees I could earn. Because why means we must learn like what is Nifty support and resistance. So always when you are entering into a market, where Nifty support is placed, and where is the resistance point, and all those things if you learn, then only you should enter into a market. Like whenever there is a Nifty is breaking up, you have to see like after resistance, you can see like after taking support, you can see Nifty was moving such a way up. So and you can see as I told you, like Nifty was taken the next support was 10,830. So it did not break that level. You can see here it was came almost nearby the resistance zone. But evening also you can see around 3:30 you can see again it came up. But see, that is the reason you have to see like where there is a resistance point was there at 8:30. So those resistance was not broken. So that is the reason Nifty was within that range. Like it was like 830 to 700, only on that range, because there was a support and resistance. So always you have to learn, like whenever you are entering into a market, you must learn, okay, what is resistance and where is Nifty is placed support. So all those things, if you have to learn in a better way, then only you can take a better trade. See, some people, what they do, they will take maybe entry, they maybe take a buy entry on resistance point. So what happens, suddenly market will go. So people will say, why I am getting loss when I am taking an entry, suddenly market is falling down. So this is applicable for all the stock also. Like if you are going for a stock, you must learn, like each stock will have a resistance and support. So you have to learn like what is resistance point, and if you are taking an entry on, okay, this is correct entry. So based on resistance, once the resistance is broken, you have to wait for another 5 to 10 points also. Sometimes what will happen, like maybe resistance will be broken and maybe 5 to 10 points also will go down, then only it will be reversing. Same like Nifty, you have seen like 11 o'clock, it was broken the support, and almost 5 to 10 point was gone down. This is like to like misunderstand some people by seeing, okay, it is like support was broken, suddenly people will take entry. So what happens, suddenly Nifty will turn and they will get low. So always you have to wait for another 10 to 15 points, then only you have to take entry. See, for 15 points you won't be getting maximum loss, so you can wait another 15 points. Then if you are confirmed, okay, this Nifty is going to break, you have to wait one more candle. So here if you would have waited one more candle, you can see around 11, I'll show you, like around 11 o'clock you can see. So okay, this is the point here, you can see like 10,690, it was touched the support. And if you would have waited for another one more candle, that is what I'm telling, like you have to wait for another one more candle. If the candle is forming below the support line, then you can take a P call, because you know like market is going to fall down. But here I know like it was just touched, and the next candle I waited, and it was a green candle, and I was I started and I was finding, okay, Nifty is going to reverse and it is going to up. So suddenly I waited for another 2 to 3 candles, then I could get an idea, okay, this Nifty is going to work out in a uptrend. So suddenly we have to give a buy call, and we can take a C call, and we can make a profit. And you can see that is the reason I could make a good profit. So instead of going for a PE, I have selected a right time. So always you have to remember, like when you are entering into a market, don't enter into entire day. So wait for a good opportunity. Like one call is more than enough for you. Like if you are getting a good call in a day, that is more than enough. Like instead of going like morning you are buying C, by seeing market is going up, you will buy C. Suddenly market will be coming down, you will sell that and you will buy P. So like that you have to control your emotions. So controlling emotion is one of the important thing in share market. So based on that you have to see, like whenever there is a good entry, you have to buy 1 or 2 lot, then you can make 3,000 to 4,000 in a day. So that is a good profit of, that is a good amount of money. So always you have to keep in all those things. So the resistance and support is very important in Nifty. So whenever there is a resistance or there is a breakout, you can buy, and you have to observe all those things in the market. So when you are entering into market, you have to learn all those things, how to set your resistance and support, you have to understand. Then based on that you have to work out. So you can see in the group also, like you can see like a lot of people were trading on my call, and you can see how much profit they have made. So 3,000, like 1,000. So a lot of people, they made profit like 5,000, 900 and 500. You can see a lot of people were traded based on my ideas. Here you can see like based on my call they have traded, because I have given 10,800 C. Here you can see 10,800 C. I was told to buy above 40. So this group is absolutely free. So anyone interested to join to this group, you can join here. So I'll be sharing you like how the market is there, what are the support point, resistance points, all those things I will be sharing you. So this group is absolutely free. The group link I will be giving in the description. So you can join to this group as well. In the same way, if anyone interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel, Libin EJ, and you can learn more about market, because I am daily basis I will be uploading lot of things related to market. So you can visit this channel and learn more about market. In the same way, if anyone interested to open account with the Angel Broking application, you can contact me, or you can open the account through the link I have mentioned here. I have mentioned link here. The same link I have mentioned in the description as well. So just click on the description and you can open the account. So hope this topic is very clear. So in whenever you are entering into any market, like if you are entering into a equity market or a Nifty or Bank Nifty, so always you have to identify like what are the resistance and support of each stock. So based on that only you have to take an entry. So don't hurry or don't enter in a hurry, so that you will be getting lost. So always you have to identify where we can enter. So based on that only you have to take an entry. So if you are taking an entry in a resistance point, definitely you will be getting lost. So in between if you take, so that is why the percentage of profit, it will be come down. So always you have to take in a better place, and don't hurry and take entry. Like some people they'll think, okay, 9 o'clock is done, I have to take entry at sharply 9 o'clock. So don't record like that. You can take even 3 o'clock also, maybe 3:15 also you can take an entry and you can make profit. So like that within 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So if you are taking an entry correctly, you can make a profit at any time. So always you have to wait for a time, then only you have to take an entry. So hope this topic is very clear, and if you have any comments or if you have any feedback, you can give your suggestions. All those things you can give in the feedback. All the feedback, comments, all those things you can give down this video. Like there is a comment box, you can comment all those things here. So kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon, so that only you'll be getting notification if I upload any new videos. So kindly share to your friends. Kindly like if you are interested with this topic. Like if you are clear with this topic, kindly like. For more update and other suggestions, please like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.